Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 16, how to make a mess with conditional formatting. And I'm serious. You can get overwhelmed by this conditional formatting with the crazy rules and spend a lot of time here. But with that being said, here's a simple example. What I did was I averaged this information here. The quest is find any age that is 47.33 plus 10%. We want to color green. I will show you how I did this, but this is a case where we're going to deal with absolute and relative reference, why it can be such a mess. So here we go. What we're going to do is I'll just show you what I did. Highlight this, go conditional formatting, manage rules. Here's the formula. So we'll go edit rules. E4 times E15 is greater than or equal to, and that is relative versus absolute plus 10%. Now I'm going to clear all this out and show you what I did and the mess you're going to run into otherwise. Go to cancel. We'll hit delete. Okay. And we'll start over. I'm just going to leave this 47.33 here. Go to conditional formatting. Go to new rule. Go to format. Highlight this range. Go to format values where the formula is true. Go to E4 to E15. Then go greater than, equal to, the average 47.33 plus 10%. We're going to paint this green. Go to format, green, okay. Hit okay. What did it do? It formatted just the 4733. And you're going, why did it do that? Well, let's go in and let's take a look. Conditional formatting, manage rules. Couple things here. It applies to E16. There's no way to change that until you cycle through to try to find your errors. Go to E16, highlight the range, E4 to E16, hit OK. Now you're shaking your head going, what? I don't want, I know 20 is well below 47.33 plus 10%. What's going on here? Well, go back up. Conditional format. Manage rules. And you remember, I keep stressing, we have this absolute value over here on this left side and how the conditional formatting just doesn't manage it very well. So highlight this area, hit F4, F4, F4. It's important, leave E16 as an absolute value, hit OK, hit OK. There you go. So you have a combination of relative and absolute values. Let's go in, conditional formatting, manage rules, go to edit rules. Let's take this reference off. Go F4, F4, F4. Okay, okay. And look what it did. And you're shaking your head going, are you kidding me? No, this is the mess that you can deal with conditional formatting. Go to conditional formatting, go to manage rules, go to edit, go back to E16, hit F4 once. Now we have absolute reference, okay, okay, and problem solved. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.